going fidget hunting, and we're going in Oldham Town Centre, and we're going to put all our new fidgets in this one.
What type of fidgets would you like to find, Ronnie?
A twirly thing.
What's the twirly thing?
A poppet.
You want
And a boppet.
So we're outside the house and we're just about to get in the car. We will see you when we're at the shops, or whichever shop we're going to first. So let's get in the car.
Hey, you alright?
That's a neighbour. Ronnie's running over to say hi. So see ya. See you when we're at the shops. I've got my seatbelt on and I've got the bag. Hi, we're at Spindle Shopping Centre and we're just about to go with the fidgets. We're going in Claire's accessories now.
Ronnie? What is it?
I got a poppet.
So, me and Ronnie found these. They look a bit like monkey noodles. And then he also found this. That comes to £13. So we've got 3 things in the bag, and so I'll just show you. And let's close the bag, and next let's go to the entertainer.
Oh, it's closed, look.
Try the works.
So
Yes, the works.
I just found a Rubik's Cube because our other Rubik's Cube broke. Yeah,
I've just found a black fidget spinner over there.
so I found this and I want to get it.
What is it?
It's a slide and spin magic puzzle. So let's go and pay now. In fact, let's not go and pay. Let's get this.
What? Here out.
I don't know, found it right here. This is a fidget.
They're wall crawlers, super sticky wall crawlers.
And a fidget.
No, you don't fidget with them. You throw them at the window, at the wall or the window, and they climb down.
What are these small little boxes? What do you think that is, Ronnie?
Bring me.
These are brain maze. Do you want to get it?
Got a bring me.
Okay, I think we should go and pay now. Let's go. We're going at the other end of Spindles to see if there's any more shops there that we can go to get fidgets.
Why don't you try Smith's?
What?
Smith's? W.H. Smith?
Smith.
W.H. Smith?
Where?
Here?
That's not.
W.H. Smith, it's called.
I thought you said W.H. Smiths.
I did.
No, it's Smiths.
Yeah, Smith. W.H.
No.
Smith.
No, like the real Smiths.
Oh, like Smith's, like the toy shop Smith. Oh, they sell some toys in here.
So we just found some little doggy erasers. They're so cute and I really want to get them. Look. So, pay, start.
Please scan your first item.
So you need to find the barcode.
This.
Yeah,
Where shall
and
I
then scan it. Scan it on there. That's it. Now put it on there. So it weighs it. That's it. Keep going.
Shall I do
That's
Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
it. Now tap my card on that machine.
authorize? So, first we went to Claire's Accessories, as you know. Second of all, we tried to go to the entertainer, but it was closed. So, then we went to the works, and then we got a bunch of fidgets from there. And then we went to WH Smith, and we didn't get any fidgets there, but we got little cute erasers. They're so cute. Ronnie, what's the music? Oh, look.
Ronnie's looking at the pearls. Are you wanting some jewellery, Ronnie? Which is your favourite? What one?
Going out of Spindles and into town centre. Let's go.
What have you seen, Ronnie?
Candy floss. Can we have cotton candy?
Can we have cotton candy? Can we have cotton candy? I'll cheer me up a lot.
Well, should we have a look in Poundland, see if they've got any, and then you can
And then we'll get some cotton candy afterwards.
Yeah! Come on, let's go to Poundland and then let's get some candy floss. We're heading in. Magnet rings.
What are they?
Magnet rings are the best. They glow in the dark.
Hi again. We found one toy in Poundland and it was magnet rings.
Magnet rings.
So let's go and pay for our magnet ring. Where's the barcode? Next.
What are you excited about?
Getting cotton candy. We got one each. Do we get to eat all of it though?
See. You can't eat all that at once, can you?
Yeah, we can.
No. Yes, we can.
Now they've been to get some cash. And now we're gonna get some candy floss.
One each of cotton candy.
Candy floss.
Candy floss.
I got my candy floss.
I got my candy floss.
Okay, now Mum, please can you hold that? Okay, let's.
This is like a marshmallow.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna go and try magnet.
There's tulips.
Oh, those are so good. Wow.
Pretty flowers. better. Put it away while you're going in. That's it.
Oh, this is a very long I just found a giant rainbow sponge. I'll show you. A giant rainbow sponge. So cool. Wow. No, just looking for toys all the time.
What have we got? What have we got?
So we've got a rainbow spring, so you put it down your stairs sometimes. You do lots of fun things.
What is it? What is it?
That is a bouncy ball, Ronnie.
No, that's not fidget. Just a bouncy ball.
Are you having a good day?
Yeah.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh.
Poo, 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 and poo, 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 poo.
Okay.
Just got a slinky spring, and we might have time for one more shop.
Have we paid?
We've paid, yeah.
Let's head out of Primark. Let's go down the escalator this time. I mean, let's go. And then we can eat the rest of our cotton candy.
You've eaten half of it already.
I know, I love it.
I bet quite a lot because I popped it and lots of candy came out.
Where did it go? Where did all the cotton candy that came out go?
No, this chicken is
That's it. Have you ever seen a kid scared to go down an escalator?
I'm scared. We're going down the escalator now.
We made it onto the escalator.
Yeah. We might go in the hard shop, but I think it'll be just because. First, let's finish our cotton candy.
We're going in Card Factory now.
Card Factory had absolutely nothing. So now we're going home. Bye, Guinness.
Look, there's a policeman standing in the door.
That's not I just found a squeeze in that it's soft and squishy.
You getting it?
Can I get a car?
A car.
Because that's not a fidget.
Show me.
Soft and squishy.
Please come get this home bargains truck.
Home Bargains truck.
So I found this little cute guy. I think I might name him
Lobster.
What did you say?
Marshmallow.
No, I think I might name him Fidget.
Marshmallow.
Because we got him when we were going on a fidget hunt. So Fidget, say hello to Fidget. So now we're gonna go and pay. Come on.
Right, we'll pay. Mommy will pay.
So we've finished our fidget hunting and we're gonna go home now, and I'm gonna wash my hands because they're sticky, and we're gonna open everything in my bag and What's his bag?
And what's in your bag?
Fidgets, obviously. So, we've just been fidget hunting. So, time for the big reveal. And we've been to loads of shops. And we bought a bunch of fidgets. Time for the big reveal. 3, 2, 1.
Happy.
So this is a Squeezums, and it's soft and squishy. I'm so excited to have this as one of my fidgets. It's a little puppy, and I think you remember that at the shops I named it Fidget because we got it while we were fidget hunting. Okay, no.
So, guys, I just got this, and it's a book mat, and it has poop emojis.
That's cool. Right.
So, I got, this is from Claire's Accessories. I got a glow string.
You going to open it?
It's pink and it glows.
Ronnie, have you got a glow string as well?
Yes,
Are you going to open yours? What colour's yours?
mine's green.
Green.
So this is kind of like a monkey string. Do you know monkey strings? It's a fidget toy. This is just like a gigantic monkey string. And they glow and they...
Glow in the dark.
And it's sticky.
Shall we see the glow in the dark?
It's not dark yet.
No, in there.
In the wardrobe, I need to take the camera
Right,
in.
it's recording.
Take the camera in and show them.
So it's very dark. And guys, it's glowing.
Put it onto the camera so the camera can see it.
This is my glow in dark monkey needle. Can you see it, guys? So yes, it's glow in the dark.
Okay, now it's time for me to go in the wardrobe to see if it's glowing in the dark. Oh my gosh, guys, it's glowing in the dark. Whoa, guys, can you see? Wow, this is so cool. So I also got little puppy earrings.
I got
They're
little.
so cute.
I got little cute owls.
Look,
What are they?
the dogs and the little cute dogs and the erasers.
Mine, yes, they are owls.
Owls.
You have to rest in this. Duh.
Oh wow. Are they erasers as well?
Mhm.
Look. Yeah.
These are
So next we're going to show you our magnet.
magnets.
So the magnets, they stick all together. You can put your fingers in and just mess with them like that. They're really cool. You can see how these are a fidget toy, can't you?
It's lying to it.
So my next fidget toy is called a slide and spin magic puzzle. What's your
My next
called,
one is called a cube puzzle.
Yeah, a magic cube. Let's open. Open sesame. Okay. So I think you just slide like that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And you try and get all the colours back together.
So you've got to make a cube with only all of these. It's may impossible, but it's not impossible for us.
So my next fidget is a bouncy rainbow spring.
My next one is called Rainbow Push Poppers.
Also known as a poppet.
Yeah.
Look at mine.
Let me just open mine.
This is so cool, guys.
You just press these. This is just a toy, and I buy this at Home Bargains, and it's a truck Home Bargains. You can see that it's right like Home Bargains truck. Let's go on to the mystery box.
The magic puzzle 6-pack of cube toys.
So let's open 3 each.
Yeah, 3 each. This is huge. It's so fun to play with. Wow, and if you get it all straight, then it might make a giant whacking straight.
Becky, what's the other fidget?
Look, let's try.
Spanish.
You might want to go to the works to try and get a lot of these fidgets because they're really, really good to play with. I'll tell you when I've done this whacking string.